I'm going to be careful and not stick it down too firmly yet because I want to make sure that my alignment is correct. Like I've got a little bit of overlap right there that I don't want. Because you want it not only in the correct alignment front and back, but you want it twisted and straight as well. Now with the curves, you know, with the way the plastic is laid out, it's pretty obvious on where it needs to, if it needs to twist it all in place. That looks about good. And like I said, my suspicion is that the remainder of the adhesive is more than enough to keep this in place. I feel pretty confident that this is going to stay. If your adhesive tears or doesn't come off as cleanly as mine did, then you're gonna need to use something else to keep it in place. It doesn't have to be very strong. This whole, the circuit board and the piece of plastic weigh next to nothing, so you'll just have to be careful with that. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to reattach these wires in the same positions that they were in on the new glass. We'll take a solder, we'll heat up the edge a little bit, we'll heat up the wire a little bit, drip on a little bit of solder, and just get this soldered into place on both sides. All right, so stuck down firmly into place. I'm sure that previous adhesive is going to hold. Like I said, you're going to have to find some yourself. I used that 3M if this hadn't held. And then I was able to solder the wires back into the same position. I just used your typical leaded solder. Real quick touch, warm up the spot, dab it with solder, get the wire intact and in the same place. And the orientation of this plate should be right, so because we've got that photo sensor that looks to the front.